Hi, this is Alan Breznick, Cable Video Practice Leader for Light Reading. I'm here back on the show floor in Los Angeles at the Cable Show with Steve Reynolds, who's CTO of Imagine Communications. Steve spoke on our multi-screen ad targeting breakfast this morning, and now we're caught up to him on the convention floor. Steve, what's your focus now at Imagine?
So there's a couple of things that we're focusing on here at the NCTA show, Alan. We have products that we're showing from our media software business. We also have playout products, and we're showing some of the new innovations that we have in our networking portfolio. On the media software side, we have our Landmark product, which is an impression-based ad sales product. We know that there's a lot of interest in that right now within the operator community as people start to look at new ways of monetizing and new advertising models that they want to move towards. We also have a new version of our Versio platform. Versio is our integrated playout platform, and we have a version of that we've implemented as a cloud-based application. So customers can get that Versio software, and they can actually run playout from the cloud. So they can do generation of their primary video streams from the cloud down into the local broadcast center. On the networking side, we have a couple of exciting things that we're showing here. We have the Selenio Flex product, which is a software-based encoder transcoder product that also allows customers to do file-to-file transcoding as well as transcoding directly for live ABR streams. That's really a product that supports our TV Everywhere initiative. And folks that come to see what Imagine is showing here will see that we have an end-to-end TV Everywhere solution that we're demonstrating. Another part of the networking product line is our new Xenio platform, and Xenio is our software-defined workflow platform. It lets customers put together workflows in a very agile software environment where they can actually define the elements that they want to have as part of their network and dynamically put the connections between those elements so that it gives them the ability to change workflow on the fly and to control that entire end-to-end workflow through a software-based module.
Steve, given that focus, can you describe your strategy in this area?
The strategy that we're implementing really is around a transition from hold on. Back to Mark. What's that? No, I got it. So the strategy that we're trying to follow here is really moving from the legacy way of generating video and moving video around in the network to something that is much more IP based. So a lot of the platforms that you see us demonstrating, and in fact a lot of the development work that we're doing, is all about this migration towards IP. We want to move away from the hardwired baseband environments of the past and start move towards something that is much more off-the-shelf hardware oriented, where we're running software on blade servers or appliances, and really using that to put together the entire video distribution architecture, and then extending that out of the broadcast center into a TV Everywhere model. So IP-based delivery all the way down to the various endpoints that consumers are starting to choose, whether that's tablets or mobile phones or game consoles. We want to be able to deliver video to all of those devices, and TV Everywhere is the way to do that.
Okay, how is this strategy addressing your customers' needs?
So across the board, our customers are looking for ways to deliver video using IP. A lot of what's driving that is the move towards IP endpoint devices, internet-connected devices that consumers have in their home or that they're carrying around in their pocket. More than anything, that's really changing a lot of the dynamics of the video industry right now. Our customers are coming to us and saying, how can I deliver IP video to all those endpoints? And this TV Everywhere strategy is our answer to that.
Steve, are you engaged in the transition to virtualization? If so, can you describe Imagine's perspective on that trend?
Virtualization is certainly something that we're involved with. A lot of our customers want to move from the legacy broadcast center environments of the past and move towards something that is either entirely cloud-based or where they want to run their own equipment in a private cloud. But both of those models really require that you move towards a virtualized computing type environment. So, blade servers or appliances become the hardware that this new video ecosystem runs on top of, and we supply the software and we supply the necessary hardware accelerations in order for customers to move towards that kind of a model.
All right, thanks. What other industry trends or market needs do you see in the short term?
I think one of the key trends that we're seeing here at the NCTA show really involves the next generation of advertising. There's a lot of work going on right now in advanced advertising, whether that's ad insertion into unicast, things like VOD dynamic ad insertion, whether it's addressability and targeting of advertising, or whether it's some of the new models that we're starting to see emerge, for example, impression-based advertising. So a migration away from ratings-based advertising, the way that it's been done for years, and trying to move towards something that is a lot more impression-based, so that the operators and the content rights holders can actually use the inventory that they have in a much more efficient way.
Very good, Steve. Thanks very much for joining us.
Well, thank you very much, Alan. Appreciate having the opportunity to talk with you.